Fiverr takes 20% from every seller order, and buyers often pay extra on top of the listed gig price. That means a $100 order does not pay you $100, and the buyer usually pays more than $100 too. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what Fiverr charges sellers and buyers, and how to price your gigs so you don't lose money. Start with seller fees. Fiverr's standard seller fee is 20%. That's simple. Sell a gig for $10, Fiverr keeps $2. You get $8. Sell a gig for $50. Fiverr keeps $10. You get $40. Sell a gig for $500, Fiverr keeps $100. You keep $400. This applies to your base package, extras, tips, and custom offers. Same rule, every time. That's the first thing new sellers miss. They price low, then realize Fiverr's cut takes a big chunk. Now, buyer fees. Fiverr charges buyers a service fee on top of the gig price. This means if your gig says $25, the buyer might actually pay more at checkout. That can affect conversion. A $25 gig may feel like $30 or more once Fiverr adds fees. That matters when pricing against competitors. If 5 sellers charge $20 and you charge $35, your checkout total feels even higher. Next, withdrawal fees. This depends on how you cash out. PayPal, bank transfer, and Fiverr Revenue Card can have different processing costs depending on country and method. That's not Fiverr's core fee, but it affects your real profit. Check your withdrawal method before pricing your services. Now here's how to price smart. Use reverse math. If you want to earn $40, don't charge $40. Charge $50. Fiverr takes 20%, which is $10. That leaves your $40 target. Do this for every gig. Want $100? Charge $125. Want $200? Charge $250. This keeps your pricing intentional. One more thing. Revisions cost time. If your base package includes unlimited revisions, your profit can disappear fast. Set clear revision limits. 1 or 2 revisions is usually easier to manage. Quick recap. Fiverr takes 20% from sellers, buyers pay extra fees too, and withdrawal costs can reduce profits further. Your next step is simple. Open your current gig prices and calculate what you actually keep after Fiverr's cut. If this saved you from underpricing, like the video and subscribe for more Fiverr tips.